Oh, yesterday I went shopping. The stock market was falling and I was balling. I'm looking at the stock market right now. I'm looking at it fall. I'm seeing all of these deals and I'm swooping things up. I'm getting them at huge discounts. Yesterday, the stock market was down and I bought 5 individual stocks. But they weren't random stocks. They weren't stocks that I saw on the screen or I saw in the news and I said, oh, I better go get me some of that. No, these stocks were on my watch list. And it occurred to me, there are people out there investing in the stock market without a stock watch list. If you are investing right now without a watch list, you're more than likely making some huge mistakes. Hey guys, it's Aman from Our Rich Journey, and today we are diving into the concept of a stock market watch list. What it is, why it's essential, how to create one, and how legendary investors like Warren Buffett use them to maximize their returns. You know, right now, the stock market is in some serious flux. It's down almost 10% and we are in correction territory. It might even go to bear territory. But that is the stock market as a whole. There are individual stocks that are on blazing hot sale right now. And if you have a stock watch list, you should be looking at that list and licking your lips, because this may be the opportunity that you have been waiting for. But if you are out there without a stock watch list, we need to have a conversation today about why it's so critical. And also, as a part of this video, I am also going to be sharing the 5 individual stocks that I purchased yesterday that were on my stock watch list. So first of all, what is a stock watch list? Think of it as your curated shortlist of companies that you are considering making investments in the future. This is a list of stocks that you have been eyeing for some time, and you are using this list to buy stocks to maximize investment gains. So why do you need a stock watch list? Well, there are 4 main reasons why you need them. The first is focused monitoring. It narrows down the vast universe of stocks to a manageable number, enabling you to concentrate on companies that matter the most to your investment strategy. Number 2, it helps for timely decision making. By regularly monitoring these selected companies, you're better positioned to act swiftly when market conditions present favorable opportunities, such as price dips or positive news developments. Number 3, enhanced research efficiency. A watch list allows you to allocate your research efforts more effectively, diving deeper into companies that have already met your preliminary investment criteria. And number 4, risk management. By focusing on companies that you are familiar with, you reduce the likelihood of making impulsive investment decisions based on market hype or speculation. To really push this point home, I want to use an analogy that I think will resonate with a lot of people. Now imagine walking into a bustling grocery store with a massive sale going on, with shelves overflowing with discounts and deals. Without a shopping list, you are enticed by every flashing sign, filling your cart with items you don't need, overspending and still forgetting the essentials. Now picture entering into the same grocery store with a well-prepared list in hand. You navigate the aisles with purpose, selecting only what is necessary, saving time and money, and avoiding unnecessary temptations. By having this list, this simple tool transforms the chaos into this store into efficiency. Now similarly, in investing, a well-crafted watch list guides your decision making, helping you focus on opportunities that align with your financial goals. So a lot of you may be thinking, how do I develop a stock watch list? Well, there are 4 things that you can do to create this list. The first is identify your investment goals. Determine whether you're focusing on growth, value, income, or a combination. Number 2, research potential stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, competitive advantages, and alignment with your goals. Number 3, utilize stock screeners. Use stock screeners to filter stocks based on specific metrics such as price to earnings ratio, dividend yield, market capitalization, or annual growth. And number 4, to keep your watch list nice and tight, monitor it regularly. Keep an eye on the news, earnings reports, and market trends related to the companies on your list. The thing that is so great about having a watch list is that it allows you to capitalize on market opportunities. Warren Buffett is famous for doing this. You see, Warren Buffett is known for his meticulous approach to investing. He focuses on companies with strong fundamentals. He maintains those companies on a list and waits patiently for the right moment to invest. Buffett's investment philosophy emphasizing understanding businesses thoroughly and investing when they are undervalued. And I think it's really interesting to see what Warren Buffett is investing in right now. These are some of the things on his stock list. For example, he has things like Apple, American Express, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, Chevron. These are all companies that Warren Buffett has on his watch list and companies that he capitalizes on when market opportunities present themselves. Now, like Warren Buffett, we also keep a watch list of our own. And this brings me to what we invested in yesterday. When the stock market was down, we took a look at our watch list and we saw 5 companies that were down at least 20% from their all-time highs and companies that we decided to invest more in yesterday. The 5 companies we invested in yesterday was 1, PayPal, 2, Nvidia, 3, Alphabet, 4, Meta, and 5, Amazon. All 5 of these companies are down at least 20% from their all-time high. And yesterday presented a market opportunity to buy more of these companies. Companies that are fundamentally sound, but are just down right now because that's the direction of the market. There's nothing wrong with their businesses at this moment, but sentiment has changed a bit and people are being more conservative with their cash. And so we know that when these companies bounce back and reach all-time highs again, we are looking at least a 20% return on these investments. And we're able to make a decision like this because these companies are on our watch list. And as a part of being on our watch list, we are monitoring these companies on a regularly basis. And so having a stock market watch list is so important to be able to spot opportunities. And so if anyone is investing in the stock market, you should have a list like this and be ready to take action. I hope this video has given you food for thought, has given you a little more direction as you embark on your investment journey. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.